Unveiling the mystery. What does zoned out mean? Hello, language enthusiasts. Are you ready to add another phrase to your impressive English repertoire? Today, we're diving into the phrase, zoned out. Have you ever found yourself lost in thought, oblivious to the world around you? Well, there's a phrase for that in English, and it's a commonly used one. So, get ready to understand and use zoned out, just like a native speaker. The phrase, zoned out, is informal and is often used in everyday English. It means to become completely detached from what is happening around you, often because you are tired or bored, or simply daydreaming. Imagine you're in a class or at work, and your mind drifts away to your weekend plans or a memory. That's when you're zoned out. While the exact origins of zoned out aren't clear, it is believed to be a phrase that became popular in the late 20th century. Zone, in this context, refers to a mental state, not a physical space. When someone says, "I zoned out," it's understood that they were not fully present mentally. It's a common occurrence and a universally understood experience. Casual in nature, it's not typically used in formal settings. To get a better grasp of how to use zoned out, let's look at some examples. During a long meeting, I zoned out and missed the important points. He was so tired that he just zoned out in front of the TV. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a lack of attention or detachment from the immediate surroundings. There are several synonyms for zoned out that you can use to diversify your language. These include spaced out, in a daze, daydreaming, disconnected, inattentive. Each of these can be used in similar contexts, although the nuances may vary slightly. When using the phrase, zoned out, ensure that it's appropriate for the context since it's informal. Also, it's a state rather than an action, so you wouldn't say, "I zoned out something." The correct usage always involves a person as the subject who is experiencing this state. And there you have it. You now know what zoned out means, how to use it, and even some synonyms to mix things up. English is full of such vivid phrases that make the language rich and fun to learn. So next time you find your mind wandering, you'll have the perfect term to describe the experience. Keep practicing, and don't zone out on your language learning journey. Until our next video, keep absorbing English and making it a part of your daily life. See you soon!